Good morning, players. Let's get into the frumpy dump shenanigans. I declare it's a disgrace. So as we know, last week, Judge Cannon, who was appointed by Frumpy Dump, granted his request to appoint a special master to review the documents that were seized from Mar-a-Lago. So Judge Cannon appointed federal judge Raymond Dearie, who is based out of Brooklyn, New York. Now let's keep in mind that Frumpy Dump and his legal team picked this judge, okay? Handpicked. So we don't want to hear nothing from Frumpy Dump and his team that the Justice Department has rigged anything, especially with this new information. So now the judge is reviewing everything and he's put in his first request of Frumpy Dump and his legal team. So the first item on the agenda is to ask Frumpy Dump and his legal team some questions. So Judge Dearie has asked Frumpy Dump to disclose any details about any materials he claims to have declassified before calling them his property. Baby, when I tell you Frumpy Dump and his legal team, they don't want to hear that. They don't want to hear that at all, so they upset it. And the reason why they're upset it is because Frumpy Dump's legal team has never went on record in any court filing and said that Frumpy Dump declassified those documents. Now, of course, we know Frumpy Dump been going around here running his trap and saying that he declassified the documents, but as far as in the court's eyes, what's on court documents, it's never been officially filed. So Frumpy Dump's legal team came back last night and sent the judge a 4-page letter. I don't know if they enclosed it with a kiss, but they sent him a 4-page letter and pushed back on that, telling him to leave out that part of the proposal. They don't want to disclose anything regarding declassification of documents. Now, the Justice Department also issued their own letter to the judge proposing that the special master review begin at once on non-classified material by scanning all of the seized documents and having Frumpy Dump's legal team review approximately 500 pages a day, and they need to mark them as privileged or not so that federal prosecutors can agree or disagree, and then they can forward it back to the special master so he can make his determination. So the judge has summoned Frumpy Dump's legal team as well as the Justice Department to a Brooklyn court today for the first preliminary hearing. Now, this special master has a deadline of November 30th to conclude his review and classification. So he's not going to want to do the deflection from Frumpy Dump's team. You're going to comply or you go get the hell out, because Frumpy Dump has won everything he wanted thus far. You need to comply, Frump. Just comply. Baby, this is a hot boo-boo shitty mess, and I can't wait to see what's going to happen. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments. This is Double D Mo for the Accurate News.